Typically when customers are looking to make first contact with us, they'll peruse through our website and look at the variety of different offerings that we have. From there, if they decide that we're the company for them, they would either reach us via our phone number, or they would go through the Contact Us form and request a quote. Three of the most important things we need during a quotation request is what is the media you're dealing with, what's the overall flow that you have in your system, and what is the process's purpose.
Here's what I believe makes PumpingSol unique. We're believing in educating the client. We're believing in putting as much information as possible on our website. Once the client has a unique job, which requires a set of skills and time to come up with a solution, I believe that we're uniquely qualified to do that.